Alright guys, today we're eating Logan's Burger and Chicken. Logan's is a burger spot that's attached to a laundromat. So far, I think they've had the cheapest burger. Price of the burger, $5.99. So $6 for the burger, $3.79 for the fries, and $1.38 for the can of soda. Today we are drinking ginger ale for a grand total of $12.16 and a subtotal of $11.16 if you care about that. All right, now what y'all came for, the burger that is sliding around in my hand. What's on the burger? We have a toasted bun with a special sauce, leaf lettuce, a tomato, one ring of purple onion, not a full layer, just a ring, one patty, American cheese. Looks delicious. Let's try it. All right, the results are in. I'm officially giving Logan's Burger. Oh wait, I didn't try the fries. These are like Wendy's old fries, like before they did the rebrand with the whole crispy everything, whatever. So no, they're not good enough to bump up the score. This burger, I'm giving it a strong 8.2 for what I believe, if I'm not wrong, is the new best burger. I haven't been editing. If I had edited these videos, I would know. But I think this is the best burger now. Go to Logan's. But if you go to Logan's, here's my only caveat. If you see me there and I'm in line, get out the way. Like, let me go ahead of you, because I did you a favor and put you on, right? Do me a favor, right? Respectfully. If y'all gonna make the wait times crazy long, let me, you know what I'm saying? I just think that's fair. It's not like I go there all the time, but I'm just saying, if you see me by coincidence, I'm just saying. I don't know if I said what I like about the burger. The cheese is really making an appearance here by putting like, oh no, there's two slices of red onion. My fault. The red onion and tomato and lettuce aren't overpowering. The lettuce is nice and crisp. The sauce is, I have no idea what it is, but it's really good. Great burger, man. Just overall, great burger.